Sometimes it's useful to have certain characters on our keyboard that are not there. For example, these arrows or this euro sign in a non-European keyboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize these special characters so that you can actually type them with your keyboard without going into symbol or using some really complicated symbols. My name is David Benham, and I love talking about features in Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, Google Sheets, Zoom, Teams, etc. By the way, this feature works in all of the core Microsoft Office apps, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Outlook in the same way. I'm going to show it to you in Excel, but you can replicate it in other apps. So let's get started. So to show you, first of all, if I type in 2 of these up carrots and space, that will change into this. If I type in 2 side ones, that will change into that one. If I type in a dollar and then a hash space, that will change into a euro. So these are things that I like to allocate to certain characters because I use them a lot. I find it so useful to have the 4 arrows up, down, left, right, just that you can type in with your keyboard. So how do we get to it? Well, in insert, you have symbol here. And then if you scroll down the list all the way here, you will eventually get to these arrows. And here you can have this one, for example. This is the one that we're going to create. You can insert them like this, but this gets really tedious to have to do this every time. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to File and then Options. And then in Proofing, I'm going to choose Autocorrect Options. So here I can have Replace and With, and I can choose, for example, that one like that. Notice that it is taking me to these ones I've preset. But sorry, let me do that again, like that. And I can replace with, and then here I can paste it, Control V, and I can click on Add. And that's kind of basically it. So you also have some other things that are in here. You'll see as I scroll down my list, at the beginning I have euro and the British pound symbol as well. And then if I press OK and OK again, I can now type that in by typing this character, a line, that character, and then either a space or enter works as well, or just keep typing any other character and that will lock it in. So that is essentially how you do it. So maybe you have some good ideas for which characters you would like to have accessible via a keyboard. I find it really useful. A note that this saves it on your Excel every file on your computer. So if you move computers, you have to do it again. But if you have a new Excel file, I press File and then New, blank workbook. And now if I type in space, it will store it. Note that this will only do Excel. If you do it in Excel, if you want it to replicate in Word, then you have to create a new one for Word. I hope you've enjoyed that. My name is David Benham, and I have tons of videos on Excel, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, Zoom, Teams. So if you're using Tech of the Workplace, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.